Hey guys, how's it going? Alright, I want to show you what I'm got going on right now. Anyways, I figured I've already gotten started on it. But I'm actually going to be taking this piece of wood, right here. It's actually some MDF with a nice little laminate and everything on it. But what I'm doing is, you see my light switch and everything in the other garage. And so what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to get this mounted up there, and then I'm actually going to have this on there. I'm trying to make it look a lot nicer, and I'm relocating. Actually, I purchased another fuse block, which I'm actually going to get closer, have that mounted closer to the light switch and everything. That way I don't have all them wires going all over the place, make it look nicer and everything. So getting everything set up right now. So what I've done is, this is some 1/4 inch, just regular 1/4 inch MDF, some scrap and everything. I've already figured out my layout as far as the where I've got to have for my switches. Now unfortunately with these switches, as you can tell, there's not much depth there. So what I got to do is I got to build a router out this, that way it sits down in there. Let me show you this. Because if I just do that, it's not deep enough, or this is not going to be able to go through all the way. So I'm just going to router out probably about half the thickness of this. But this is my old plate and everything. So like I said, it's being used just as a template and everything. So anyways, of course this all doesn't have to be totally perfect, but that'll work. So what I'm trying to do now is, actually I need to get that. Okay, that goes there, yeah. So anyways, like I said, I've got this, where I got these already. I've just used my little pin nailer. That's all I'm doing to hold them down with. Because these are coming off. And the only reason I'm doing that is that way when I get in with the router, I can just go in. It's a guide to do the routering out of what I need to do. So let me get something taken care of here real quick. I don't need all this sawdust and everything going in my coffee cup. So we got that covered up. This is going to be, it will get noisy. I can't help that. But we're going to get this set. Maybe 1/8 of an inch or so right there. So let's go. That's working. Let me get my air filter going. So I get it plugged back in. So I didn't realize it was unplugged. Alright. we're going to have the noise from that. Then we're going to, all I'm going to do is unlock there and come down a little bit more. And I'm almost halfway, which I think I'm going to come down just a little bit more. Because I don't want to go over halfway through. That's going to put it about halfway. As you can tell, that definitely, this MDF definitely creates some dust. So there we go. Doesn't have to be totally perfect because I got to drill the holes and everything in here to put that on there. Main thing is, that way it's wide enough. See, it's wide enough for those to be able to sit down in there and everything. So that right there, I am about, yeah, that's about the halfway mark. So there you go. That's looked good. I can clean that up a little bit more, which is no big deal. Yes, I gotta get back to working on my desk, but there you go. Figure, why not show you a little trick as far as being able to get, you know, get your everything for routing, little guide and everything. So that'll work. Like I say, it's wide enough for those to be able to sit down in there. So, alright, leave me a comment, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Hit that bell. Later, guys.